Hello, it's Varun here. In this video, we are going to talk about how to send invite for the student. So we have a functionality here, send invite, and this functionality is helpful when you have a couple of students need to be included to the system and you do not want them to buy the course, and you can include them to an individual course directly. And this functionality is available for the site admin or the course instructor, so they can include this student from this interface. So suppose that we have varun+1@gmail.com. So I'm going to include couple of mail like this, 3, 4. Okay, and I'm going to invite them for this individual course. So we can customize the message what we are planning to send them, and we have also used some placeholder, so we can let them know who is inviting them to the site and to which course they will be auto enrolled. It is also can be selected. So as an instructor, you can select to which course you are planning to include them. Of creating this functionality was like, as an instructor, we were not supposed to have the complete database of all the users what we have on the website, because you are not the only instructor on the website. As a site admin, it is also not good to give the complete list of all your site user to your instructor. So in that way, instructor are also getting a functionality where they can include their student manually to the site, and they are sending them invite to those students, and those students are accepting those invites and getting enrolled to the website. Once you send the invite for this student, they will get an email notification for that one with the subject line what we have included there. And you will also get a interface where you can check that particular user has accepted that invite or not. So we are also tracking in our system that you have sent an invite and when that invite was accepted. And if that particular user is not existed in our system, then they will create an account, and once the account is created, that will be mapped here. So if you want to check inside the email log what has been sent here, so we have enabled a plugin WP email log, and you can see that invitation to join the Rain demo community has been sent to these 4 email IDs. And once they are joined to the website, they will have the access to corresponding course to which we have invited to them. So this functionality is useful for group leaders and the course instructor, and admin can also use them. They can include them from the backend, and they have to go to the course to assign them or enroll them. But in this way, they just have to select multiple email IDs, and they can enroll to these courses. If that user is already existing in our system, then that will be auto assigned. They do not have to process or include that particular student to manually to enroll to that course. They will be included to the course automatically. And if they do not exist in our website, they have to complete the standard process to get registered to the website first, and once they registered, they will be auto enrolled. Let me know if that's helpful, or if you have any questions, contact us. Thank you.